How to Set Up Hidden Words to Protect Your Brand as You Scale. Hi Queens, I'm Adeline Atlas, 7X published author. Welcome back to School of Soul, the social series, where we turn platforms into passive income and create freedom through social media. Today, we're talking about something that every serious creator and entrepreneur needs to set up. And honestly, the sooner you do it, the better. Because as you grow online, so does the number of weirdos, trolls, and low-energy people who show up in your comment section. You can't avoid it completely, but you can get ahead of it and protect your space. Today, we're diving into Instagram's Hidden Words feature, what it is, why you need it, and how it can help you stay focused on your growth, not on distractions. First, let's get real about something. Growth exposes you to more people, good and bad. The bigger your audience gets, the more you attract every type of energy. Supporters, yes. Clients, yes. But also critics, spammers, fake accounts, random bots, and people who have way too much time and way too little sense. It's not personal, it's mathematical. Visibility multiplies everything, including the noise. The more your brand expands, the more you need to protect your peace, your professionalism, and your public spaces. Instagram understood this, and that's why they created the Hidden Words feature. This feature allows you to preset certain words, phrases, and even emojis that if someone tries to comment them on your posts, Instagram will automatically hide those comments from public view. You won't have to see them unless you go digging for them, and your audience won't see them either. It's like building a digital security fence around your brand before you even need it. Here's why this matters so much. Managing your energy is managing your brand. Every second you spend getting distracted by a nasty comment, a passive-aggressive reply, a spammy bot, or a fake account is a second you're not spending growing, serving, leading, or selling. If you're not prepared, the negativity can start chipping away at your focus, your confidence, your consistency. And that's exactly what trolls want. They want to bait you into reacting. They want to slow you down. Setting up Hidden Words cuts that off before it even starts. Now, let's talk about how to actually set it up. It's simple. Go to your Instagram settings, navigate to Privacy, then go to Hidden Words. From there, you can turn on automatic filtering for offensive words, add custom words, phrases, or emojis you personally want hidden. Extend the filtering to story replies and DM requests too. You can preload it with anything you know you don't want associated with your brand. Maybe certain slurs, maybe spammy words like DM for collab, maybe random inappropriate emojis. You get to customize it based on your audience and your vibe. Instagram will automatically screen them out, no drama required. And here's something powerful to realize. Setting up Hidden Words isn't about weakness. It's about leadership. It's about maintaining the integrity of your space. It's about making sure your audience feels safe and respected in your community. It's about keeping your page focused on value, not distractions. You are curating an environment, just like you would in a real-life business or event. You wouldn't let random hecklers hijack your workshop or spam your store. Your Instagram space deserves the same protection. Another reason this matters is because first impressions count. When new people find your page, they scan your comments. They feel the vibe of your space. If they see messy, nasty, or inappropriate comments all over your posts, even if you're not engaging with them, it still lowers the energy of your brand. It subtly shifts perception. Clean, positive, curated comment sections build trust faster. They make you look professional, intentional, and elevated. Now, some people will say, but isn't that controlling the conversation? Listen carefully. There's a difference between controlling and curating. You're not hiding genuine feedback. You're filtering out low-quality, low-frequency energy that has no place in your brand. You're protecting your community's experience. You're protecting your mental clarity. You're protecting the flow of real connection and real business. That's not censorship. That's stewardship. And queens, remember, energy leaks slow down empires. Every distraction you entertain is a distraction you empower. Protect your space. Guard your gates. Move like a CEO, not like someone hoping for validation. Hidden words aren't about weakness. They're about wisdom. Also, this isn't just about hiding words after something bad happens. This is proactive leadership. Set it up now, while you're growing, not when you're overwhelmed. Build the protection before you need it. Leaders don't react to problems. Leaders predict and prevent problems. And one final note: as you scale, detach from the idea that you have to be accessible to everyone. You don't owe the internet full access to your energy. You don't owe strangers the right to pollute your comment sections. You are building something sacred, something powerful, something worthy of protection. Move accordingly. So queens, if you haven't already, go into your settings, set up your hidden words, clean up your digital front yard, and keep your energy clean and focused for the mission ahead. You are not just building a page, you are building a brand. You are building an empire. Protect it like the queen you are. And if you're ready to build a brand that's rooted in power, clarity, strategy, and true energetic protection, it's time to get inside the SOS, Social Vault. Inside the vault, you'll find the exact strategies, templates, and mindset shifts you need to grow without getting drained, to lead without getting derailed, and to scale with soul and strategy. I'll see you inside, Queen. Leadership means guarding your gates. Success loves speed. Go make your move.